So today we are going to study about acceleration. Acceleration क्या होता है? It is the rate of change of velocity of a moving object. इसका मतलब जब भी कोई भी गाड़ी या मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट उसका स्पीड जब इंक्रीज होता है या डिक्रीज होता है उसको हम एक्सेलरेटिंग या डिसेलरेटिंग कहते हैं. So when the speed of a car is increasing with time, the car is accelerating. When the speed of a car is decreasing with time, the car is decelerating. Both above are cases of non-uniform motion. Why? Because the speed is changing with time. Okay? Non-uniform motion में क्या होता है? The speed is not constant. Either the speed is increasing, which means acceleration, or the speed is decreasing, which means deceleration. And what is uniform motion? It is when the speed of the moving object is constant. No change in speed. It implies zero acceleration. So acceleration measures the change in velocity or speed per unit time. तो इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? Acceleration is equals to change in velocity upon time taken. और अगर इसका फॉर्मूला देखते हैं तो होगा A is equals to V minus U upon T, where V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, T is the time interval. Acceleration के और भी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. पहला प्रॉपर्टी है it is a physical quantity. Why? Because it can be measured. Second, it's a vector quantity. Why? Because it has magnitude and direction. Third, the SI unit is meter per second square. Acceleration can be positive or negative. Positive कौन से केस में हो रहा है? If the speed is increasing with time, तो उस केस में acceleration positive होता है. और जहाँ पर speed गाड़ी की it is decreasing with time, we call it decelerating. उस केस में आपका acceleration negative होगा. तो उसका हम कैसे बोलेंगे? Acceleration is positive if it is in the same direction of velocity and is negative when it is opposite to the direction of velocity, called decelerating or retardation. Acceleration are of two types. एक होता है uniform acceleration और दूसरा होता है non-uniform acceleration. What is uniform acceleration? When the velocity of an object changes, that means increases or decreases by equal amounts in equal intervals of time. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? A is equals to V minus U upon T2 minus T1, which is equals to delta V upon delta T. It is showing the change in velocity per unit time. It is equals to constant. इसका मतलब change in velocity per unit time is constant. That is, the rate of change of velocity is constant. तो जब आपका rate of change of velocity per unit time is constant, उस केस में आपका acceleration uniform acceleration होता है. Example, free falling body. This is an example of uniformly accelerated motion. Why? Here the acceleration due to gravity, Earth's gravity, is g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. ये एक फिक्स नंबर होता है, एक कांस्टेंट नंबर है. तभी हम कहते हैं any free falling object under the Earth's gravity is an example of uniformly accelerated motion because the value of g is constant. Non-uniform acceleration क्या होता है? When the velocity of an object changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, or velocity changes at a non-uniform rate. इसका मतलब जो A का फॉर्मूला है change in velocity upon per unit time, V minus U upon T2 minus T1 equals to delta V upon delta T, is not constant. Example, when a car increases its speed by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, then the car is said to have non-uniform acceleration. मतलब you can imagine a case where the car is starting from zero, धीरे धीरे वो अपना speed increase करता है, फिर it is moving at a uniform speed and हो सकता है कि रोड पे दूसरे ऑब्स्टिकल्स है, सो इट इज अगेन डिक्रीजिंग इट्स स्पीड विद टाइम, तो उस केस में डिसेलरेट होगा. सो इन दैट केस it is having a non-uniform motion where the speed is changing per unit time, but the acceleration is not constant. So that is it for today.